it's D Beauty here, also known as Shyhaze, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be super duper fun. I'm having my Instagram followers choose exactly what I draw. You guys may have seen this done on YouTube before where people have their followers choose what they eat for the day, choose their outfit for the day, their makeup for the day. It goes on. I may be a little late to the trend, but I was having a little art fog and I needed somebody to help me choose what I draw, so came to you guys. If you guys would love to participate in another one, follow me on Instagram at dbeautyforever. Also, don't forget to follow me on Snapchat at beautiful_haze, spelled with 2 E's. I also have a drawing slash designing Instagram now, and that's Dina Designing. You guys can follow me on there. Definitely stay active. Every week I am drawing one active follower that follows me, so if you guys would love a portrait of yourself, definitely stay active with me and I'll share my craft with you. Okay guys, so let's get right into it. Basically I'm going to show you my drawing process while I tell you guys the results of all the polls. By the way, I am using Procreate to do this on my iPad. And I'm using an Apple Pencil as well, if you guys needed to know what I use in order to do my digital work. Yeah, but without further ado, let's get right into these poll results. And you guys, I really thought y'all would have chose stuff that y'all seen me draw before, but I guess y'all may not be feeling what I usually draw because y'all chose the opposite to everything. Yeah, so let's get into these results. Okay, so the first one I asked you guys, should I do a portrait or should I do a full body? Y'all chose full body, 61%. I did not see that coming. I really thought it was going to be a portrait, but you know, it's good to get out of your comfort zone or whatever. So then I asked you guys if you wanted to see a 90s vibe or a 2000 vibe. You guys definitely remember the 90s. That's something I'm kind of happy you guys went towards with, because I had so much fun actually doing her clothes with this and getting that 90s vibe. Because you know I'm a 90s baby. Where my 90s babies at? Give this video a thumbs up if you are. Then I asked you guys if you wanted to see short hair or long hair. You guys chose short hair, which is cool because it goes with the whole 90s theme from back in the day. And then I always draw long hair, so short hair was definitely no problem. I also asked you guys if you wanted to see dark skin versus brown skin. The reason I gave these two choices is because I'm working on a project. So yeah, but everybody chose, not everybody, but majority of you guys definitely chose dark skin. So next question was slim or thick and curvy. You guys definitely, with 81%, chose thick curvy. So that's what I did, and this is what I came up with. So yeah. So I really thought for this option you guys would have went the other way, but I see that it was very close. So 55% of you guys chose serious and seductive facial expression versus a goofy, silly one. I kind of want to do something goofy and silly, but today I did a serious one, as you guys can see. Okay, so for the last option, I gave you guys to choose between vivid colors and neutral colors. You guys chose vivid, which all makes sense. I always do like bright stuff anyway, but yeah, since it was a 90s theme, I was like, this is so perfect to do. But yeah, this is all of the results. I hope you guys really enjoyed voting because I think this came out really cool. You can follow me on my personal page at dbeautyforever, and don't forget to follow me on my designing / drawing page at Dina Designing. All information is on the screen, as well as will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a like if you like the way, you know, this whole theme came about. And don't forget to like if you are a 90s baby. Comment down below. Don't forget to share the video. Also follow me on Snapchat at beautiful_haze, spelled with 2 E's. Yeah, and I think that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next video.